Aloha Meiklejohn. I wanted to show you how to use our new system for looking up books, Destiny Discover. So to find that tool, you go to the Library tab from the Meiklejohn homepage, and then into Useful Links for Books. And in that section, you're going to see our tree of books here that we use to look up books with. So when that opens up, you'll see it's called Destiny Discover. And this is showing you the books we have at Meiklejohn Elementary School. This first section I'm going to talk about are books that you can just explore or browse through just like you used to with Scout last year. So this first section are our recently added books, books that are new to our library. So if you want to see something maybe you haven't seen before, you could look there. The next section is the popular titles section, and right now these are really just teacher resources that I've been checking out to teachers. But as kids start checking out books more and more, you can look back here and see what your friends are reading and see which books are popular in our library. And then this last section I want to show you right now is Browse by Topic. This is really cool if you want to read a certain genre of book. For example, let's say you wanted to read a fantasy. You would go ahead and click on that topic, and it'll show you all the books we have in our library that fit the fantasy category. So you can just browse by categories within there. So that part's really cool. And then I wanted to do a quick reminder for you too. In this section, when you're looking for a book, you want to look for ones that have the green in mark. That means they're in the library available for checkout. And for example, if you wanted to look at the Prince Fly Guy book today, you notice it's in the library, it's a book, and its call number right here is E for Everybody, A-R-N. The author's last name is Arnold, so it would be in an Everybody book bin in a box with an A on it, and that's where you would find Prince Fly Guy. You might be interested in The Sword of Summer in the Magnus Chase series. And if you click on that one, again, this book is available today. It's a book in the fiction section. Its call number starts with FIC, and the author's last name is Reardon. So it's a fiction book. You'll find it in that section in the letter R area. And then if you were interested maybe in a biography of John F. Kennedy, you could click on that one. This book is in the library, and it's in the nonfiction section. It starts with a 921 KEN, which means you'll find it on the lime green shelves in the nonfiction section of the library. So just a quick reminder when you're browsing for books, how to find the ones you're looking for. The next part I wanted to show you is some of the options you have when you log into Destiny Discover. So you don't have to log in order to browse for books. So if you're just making a quick trip to the library, you wouldn't need to do that. But if you click the login button here, and be careful to use the Jeffco login button, not the Follett account side, because that one won't work. But if you use your Jeffco login, which is your student number, oh, I had used Nevin as my example, so he's already in here. So with your student number and your Jeffco password, you can log in. Thanks, Nevin, for letting us use your account here. So now it says, Welcome, Nevin. Of course, yours will say your name. And now when you look through, for example, if this was a book you were interested in, are we there yet? But somebody has it checked out, you could put this book on hold for yourself. So when you go ahead and click hold, it puts you on the line for the next person to get this book. And if you change your mind, you can always just unhold that book. You can also mark it as one of your favorites or give it a starred review if you liked that book. So that's kind of cool there with the regular books. I wanted to show you down the page a little bit. Once you get past the topic browsing section, this is our section of Lightbox books, and the Lightbox books are really, really cool. They are nonfiction books that go along with the things that kids study in elementary school. We have a lot more than just the ones you see here, but for example, a 4th grader might be learning about energy, or a 5th grader learning about bones in the skeletal system. A 2nd grader might be learning about weather. So if you wanted to look at a Lightbox book, You notice the little infinity sign up here in the corner means that as many people can check out this book at the same time as needs to. So a teacher could check it out and the whole class could have it checked out and you could all read it together. Or if you have a group of people working together on a project, all of you in the group could check out the same book. So you can click open here, just like if you pulled the book off the shelf. You can open it up and kind of look through it and decide if that's one you want to use. So when you open the Lightbox, you'll see that you get all kinds of things that come up here. There are all the pages of the book shown out for you in a 2-page spread. So you can go to any section of the book and start reading from there. And you could also go back to the Lightbox menu here. There's an audio feature which lets you listen to the book. Right there.
What is weather? Weather on Earth is driven by energy from the sun and Earth's rotation.
So that'll play for you there. There's a video that you can watch of the sections of the book. So little places where you can learn more about what it is you're studying. There are also, let's go back there, close our video. There are also activities in the Lightbox books. There are links to more resources. There's a slideshow, transparencies you could get on Google Maps. You could take a quiz. There are keywords in your Lightbox books. And then there are some supplementary resources over here. But the Lightbox books are really cool. So I wanted to make sure you saw those and all the neat features they have in case you wanted to learn something from one of those books for what you're studying at school. The next section that is below the Lightbox section are our electronic books and audio books. And unfortunately, the electronic books section is having a little bit of trouble right now. And it's not just finding books from Meiklejohn, it's finding books in other libraries across the district. And so while this section is not working right now, I'll promise to let you know as soon as it's working well so you can explore in that one. We do have an audio book that 4th graders might be particularly interested in because it's about the gold rush in Colorado. So when you guys are studying that in social studies, that might be a really cool resource for you to look at. So for today, I want you to use your Chromebook. Go to meiklejohnelementary.org, library, useful links for books, and come on into Destiny Discover. You can explore around with some of the access to the books here, or if you like, you can go ahead and log in and see what options you may be able to look at as far as putting books on hold, looking at some of the Lightbox books, and opening up some of our electronic books if you can get them to work, and seeing what we have to offer. Okay, have fun, you guys. Don't forget to log out when you're finished. Sorry, here's Nevin up here. We're going to go ahead and log him out so that the next person who comes to use this computer will have a fresh login screen ready to go. Thank you so much, you guys.